So I'll show y'all how to you know, either remove a buffer tube. Right now we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. First thing you want to do, you're gonna be handling the firearm. Go ahead and remove your magazine and put it somewhere, you know, away from you. I'm actually gonna put it in this drawer right here. You know, just make sure it's something away from you, especially if you've been messing with guns for a long time. Sometimes it's just natural to grab a gun, put a mag in, you know what I'm saying, get yourself ready. So I'm gonna show y'all I'm clear, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this upper off fully. So you want to push your 2 pins out, you know, bring them out all the way. I'm gonna take this upper off and sit this to the side. All right, now, and I'm gonna be doing this with no tools. You know, sometimes guys will be you know, want to use a, just like, I don't know what you call it actually, like a castle nut tool or whatever, but I actually don't use those. I like to hand tighten my castle nuts down, because you can't over tighten them, you know what I mean. I just like to tighten them down really good by hand, and I've never had an issue, you know, as many times as I've fired this thing or anything like that, so it doesn't seem to be a problem for me. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to push, it's a how do I describe this? I need to get a pocket knife for this little metal tab inside of there. Let me show y'all this. Well, if you have an AR, you should know, but right here, this little metal piece that's sticking up, you want to push that down so that you can get, you know, the end of your buffer over top, and then you could just be able to pull that along with the spring out. So boom, you know, got it out, and then it will just pull this out. And look at that. Gotta remember to clean this spring and buffer. But yeah, I want to keep these in because it just looks nicer, you know. It's black on black, and this other one is like, I don't know, some type of crusty looking silver. So I'm gonna just keep that one in. I mean, I'm gonna use my old one for the new, and that's just a comparison, you know, same length, so we all good. All right, now the next thing you want to do is you want to back your castle nut up. You know, you want to unscrew it, back that up pretty much all the way, you know, just want to back it all the way off. And you want to be careful with your end plate, because right underneath there's going to be a spring that's going to be pushing back on it. And there it is. And so you want to let that off very slow. You don't want to have this spring, you know, go popping off on you. So you back it off slow so that doesn't go flying anywhere on you. And while you got that spring relaxed, then you want to go ahead and, you know, unscrew your buffer tube. And what I'm going to do is, after I turn that a little, just pull that spring out the backside right there. That's it. And also you want to make sure you know, this metal piece, I forgot what you call this, but this is actually sitting on top of a spring as well. So you want to make sure that that doesn't, you know, pop up and go flying in your eyeball or something like that also. Like I almost did just there. So you probably want to just move that out the way. But then you can unscrew your buffer tube. Boom. Take that off.